gonna be his rosy little cheeks.
Those are purple cheeks.
Yep. He's got purple cheeks.
The real Easter Bunny doesn't have
How do you know? Have you seen him?
I know him.
You know him, like, name drop. You know him personally?
I'm welcome to Learning League.
Hi guys. What are we doing today? You can open it. We're making a bunny.
I would like,
Blue? Okay, so here's your body of your bunny. This is a bunny body. Supervised, right, by an adult. I'm gonna put some super glue on there. Whoa, it's stringy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was not funny.
That was funny.
That was not funny.
That was.
Okay. More super glue. Okay. Ah, stringy.
Bunny.
Okay, let me see it. Ah, strings. Okay.
I'm a bunny, Mommy.
So there's his little cheekies.
Look.
And his little nose.
Look. I'm a bunny because I'm white. Bunny.
You got whiskers?
Okay.
Don't you glue to that. Bunny nose.
Bunny.
These are gonna be your whiskers. Okay. You wanna cut them all the same length.
Can I please cut?
These are really hard to cut because they're wires.
Okay.
Okay. How many whiskers do you want on them? Three a piece? 3. Blah, 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 blah.
I got 3. That's too big for a bunny.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We're gonna flip him over on his little chickies, and we're going to super glue. And then watch this. I'm a bunny.
You don't look like a bunny.
I'm a bunny.
You don't look like a bunny. You need a mouth.
Yeah, we do need to put his teeth on it. But we're gonna let this dry. We're decorating our bunnies, and then these are gonna be our bunny masks. Okay?
So,
I'm making ears. It's not easy.
you're making mine?
No, I'm making ears.
Okay.
While that's happening. These are gonna be his rosy little cheeks.
Those are purple cheeks.
Yep. He's got purple cheeks.
The real Easter Bunny doesn't have one.
How do you know? Have you seen him?
I know him.
You know him, like, name drop. You know him personally.
I'm called Easter because I know.
All right.
She's gonna raise her hand. Belly things. There's a little belly thing.
I like it.
That's where logo Easter Bunny.
What did the bunny say to the bunny?
It's Easter.
Poppy Easter.
Happy?
Poppy. Because we pop. Here is our bunny plate.
Here's our bunny, bunny.
Which one do you think is mine and which one do you think Sophia's? They look identical. So,
Hello.
have a good time guessing.
What's happening here?
I don't know. So these are our bunnies. Bunny craft.
Need to do something.
Okay, and then our mermaids. These are our little mermaids. Well, these are Sophia's mermaids. I didn't make a mermaid. Comment below if you saw our hidden Easter bunny.